Alright guys, what is up? It is Woody and we are back with another video. In this video I'm actually doing a Speedart. It's been a while since I did a Speedart on my channel, but I'm going to try to do them once, twice a month at least. And I do some on live stream. If you go check out my twitch.tv/KRS Woodward, you can check out some there. This is a little bit different. I wasn't actually going to do a digital of this. Typically when I do a digital I just start out in the computer. But this started out to be one of those crayon melt canvases, where he's looking up the sky and the melted crayons was the northern lights, but I never got to do around to doing that. So I was like, well, I'll just take it, I'll make it digital, make a wallpaper out of it in the background, and that's what I've done here. So you'll see at the end it's still the same effect, it's just not with the crayon. If you like the music, all the links are in the description below. It's no copyright sounds. It's typically what I use on all my videos if it's not Kevin McLeod, I think is his name. But all links are in the description. Hit the notification bell, hit the sub bell, leave a comment below if you still want to see the crayon one, and I'll end up doing that in the future. But otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next video. You guys enjoy the music. Woody out. Peace.
My demons dwell, my own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made us out. Oh, wait, I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm trying yesterday. Like a roaring ocean, slow in motion. Lay down your troubled mind. We are only kind and will kindly cease to be as we intertwine with the universe and its cosmic symphony. The smoke lingers after fire. ocean, empty motion. Like a roaring ocean, slow in motion. The smoke lingers after fire. What's there left to say? Throw your stones the river. Like me it drifts away. I would watch you stare. I would watch you stare. Oh, but there's no one there. A time when we never let